So we often create pages and web pages for specific events, a specific deal, etc. Say you have a new deal, new real estate deal, or for example, we are conducting a real estate AI summit on February 6, 2026. If you haven't registered, you should. I wanted to create a landing page just for the Facebook ads we are going to run. And I can use AI to create it quickly. I'm going to show you how. Go to the funnel page or funnel building page. You can click on build with AI. And then it's going to go through a specific list of questions. We can answer, for example, name of the funnel. I'm going to say real estate AI Summit. The more information you give, the better. Real estate is a niche. Goal of the funnel page is events and registration because I'm going to register for it. The audience may be other because they target audience is real estate investors, brokers. We'll just leave it at that. What are you offering? We are offering none of these. This is others. 1 day real estate. As I said, more information you give, the better. For the demo purpose, I'm just putting minimal information here. So basically, create a landing page for Real Estate AI Summit targeting real estate investors and brokers. The goal is to facilitate events and registrations for a 1-day real estate summit. I'm going to say to be held on Feb 6, 2026. So if I click generate, it's going to generate, but it's useful to give it some inspiration. When I was doing it, I saw Tony Robbins was conducting a 3-day AI summit. His team probably spent tens of thousands on this marketing. So they have the best ways to design it. I went to the site, clicked on the Facebook ad, and this is the landing page. This is no longer active, so I cannot show the actual landing page. But you can take a screenshot of the landing page and then give it to AI saying, hey, why don't you use this upload from media library? And then use this as an inspiration, right? We attach the image. I want to make sure. It doesn't give you an indication whether we attached it or not. Insert file, it's done. And then I can click generate. So this then is going to generate your landing page. It's a process. It takes about 5-10 minutes. But in order for, due to time constraint, I'm going to show you what the final product looked like here. So this is what it generated, right? So based on the prompt and based on the image I showed, it basically generated all the links here, a title there, even this logo slider in there, and then it says February 6th to 8th. I have to fix that because it's for February 6th, because it took example from a 3-day summit and then it's putting there. So, but these are easily editable. It has a basic landing page with appropriate colors, etc. So it basically, we cannot use this as it is given, right? You have to go and edit it, but it gives you the framework. And you can prompt AI to change it too. So I can type what I want. I can change the links. I can change the picture. You can also say, hey, can you change the color? Then it will change the color. Or can you change this section? It will try to modify it. So you can prompt it to edit the site. For me, this is good enough. I can click on different sections and update it. This is a quick way to give you a frame you can work with. It cuts short your time needed to create a funnel page. If you don't have design skills, this is a starting point. You can improve it.